Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to unbox and assemble the DeWalt adjustable shop stool. If you're from Northeast Ohio, you've probably heard of Hartville Hardware. They had a huge sale today and I was there. I've kind of been hem-hawing around. I just built this beautiful workbench behind me, and the stool I'm sitting on is a little bit too high for this work surface. I'm a flag builder. I need to be kind of low because I'm constantly up and down. So I saw it today at the hardware store, and there were a couple guys that grabbed them off the shelf, and I was watching the pile and the stock kind of dwindle, and I thought I'm gonna have to just grab one. So at any rate, I brought it home. I think it'll be perfect. I think this is exactly what this workbench was needing. Anyway, without further ado, now if you could comment, I never really understood the unboxing thing, but apparently people like that. So if you could comment and please explain it to me below in the comments, let me know why that is appealing. But here goes. Still taped up. Says 300-pound seating capacity, and I'm like 113, so I think we're good there. Ooh. Oh, that's a beauty. Okay, so that's probably the hardware. Oh, look how nice. This is actually really heavy. Oh! I didn't expect the casters to be put on it already. I kind of thought I'd have to be doing that. All right, so let's see. We got a manual, some stuff in a box. I don't know what that's about yet. This is probably the seat. Hope it came with a seat. Wouldn't that be a bummer? Oh, yeah. That actually is really nice. I'm sure it's not leather, it's like a vinyl, but it appears to be very well made, and it's adjustable right here, and I think I'm gonna really love this. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, so I kind of justified it as my Valentine's gift to myself. Okay, so let me see what we've got here. Okay, there's that. I'm just going to kind of lay everything out. This does not look very complicated. All right, so step one is the cushion seat strut install, and which is this, and it looks like it goes like that. Okay, wow. I guess that just floats in there like that. Okay, step two, take the base and put it on the bottom of the seat cushion. That already looks like it's on there. It already came on there. Okay, step two is actually already done, because in the diagram what they're showing me is this part, and the pan head bolts are already in there. So step two is already done. So step three is to slip the cushion seat and base onto the seat strut, firmly push down to secure it to the seat. Okay, so you just stick it on there and push it down. Okay. Shims. Okay. Okay, They should just tell you that this is not very clear, in my opinion. You're seeing this as I'm doing it. It doesn't really say, okay, so it already comes with the casters on it. If I ever want to take those off, it looks like, and change it out, you can, yeah, it doesn't say. You could either use it, it doesn't have to be a rolling stool. You can have it just stationary and swap these out. So that's what that's about. And these are shims. I guess if your floor is unlevel and where the stool is unlevel, they give you shims too. So basically, that's kind of disappointing. I didn't really get to put much together. You just pull it out of a box and snap the pieces together. Put all this stuff together. If I ever do want to swap it out, then I'll have it all here. But as far as assembly, that's all you do. You just pull it out of the box, put the rod on, slip that on, and it's good to go. You try it out. Okay, here comes the, here's the adjustable part. Well, there you have it. It's a perfect addition. It's exactly what I needed. So they did have a different DeWalt stool at Hartville Hardware, but it was a little bit higher, and I knew it would be too. It was more like that height. This stool height. Actually, probably even taller than that. And it just had legs that came down. It didn't have the options that you could put casters on it. So anyway, as soon as I saw this one, I knew I had to have it for my workbench. So hope you enjoyed that. Please let me know if you like the unboxing too. And let me know what you thought about this video in the comments. And as always, I thank you for watching. Until next time.